Monday.com can be a valuable asset for managing various aspects of real estate operations, including property listings, client communications, transaction tracking, and team collaboration. Here's how to use it effectively for real estate. Create a board. Start by creating a new board specifically for real estate management. Customize the board structure to include columns for property listings, client information, transaction status, and team tasks. Manage property listings. Use the board to track property listings by creating items for each property. Include details such as property address, listing price, property type, and status. Track client interactions. Use the board to manage client communications and interactions. Create items for each client and include details such as contact information, preferences, and communication history. Monitor transaction progress. Track the progress of real estate transactions by creating items for each transaction. Include details such as transaction type, contract status, key dates, and parties involved. Assign tasks and responsibilities. Assign tasks to team members responsible for property showings, client meetings, contract negotiations, and other activities. Use mentions and comments to communicate and collaborate on specific tasks. Track deadlines and reminders. Set up notifications and reminders for important deadlines such as contract expiration dates, inspection deadlines, and closing dates. Integrate tools. Integrate Monday.com with real estate software such as MLS platforms or CRM systems to streamline data entry and synchronize information across platforms. Review and analyze performance. Regularly review your real estate boards to assess performance, identify areas for improvement, and optimize processes for increased efficiency and productivity.